This is my review of this large carabiner here. It's 6.93 inches in length, and when you open it up here, it's about 3.9 inches, so a little under 4 inches here. I'm going to be using this for grocery bags. That's why I picked this up. I like the fact that I could just put all of the grocery bags in here and just pick up multiple ones at one time. So I got 2 of these actually, so I'm hoping I could get all of our groceries in with one trip instead of just taking a couple bags here and there. Just want to keep it nice and organized, put them on here, but this is, I believe, used initially for a stroller hook. A lot of people use these on dog cages and things like that just to make sure they're closed. But overall, it's like a really great product here. It's made very nice. It's got this reinforcement here, so when you're holding it, you can put some pressure on here. But I'm confident this is going to do exactly what I need it to do here, and just a nice overall product. So if you're looking for a large carabiner, definitely want to check it out. Again, 6.93 inches, 3.9 inch opening here, a little under 4 inches, but overall, really great carabiner.